Hi guys, thank you so much for being here again. I really appreciate the time that you put in watching my videos, the comments, and I also appreciate, you know, every little advice that you give me here and there. So I really want to thank you for that, because that is what's been keeping me going. I've been a little bit down this past couple of weeks. I did not feel like I had the strength to do like a video and, you know, like smile and be all like happy and giggly. But knowing that some of you are already expecting a video, as my husband pointed out yesterday, make me realize that, you know, I really like what I'm doing, and I really like seeing your reactions to the videos and all the comments that you leave me and all the advice. So I really want to thank you for taking the time to be here. So today I am just going to be showing you how to do the wing with eyeliner. The eyeliner that I use is the Queen, let me see the name because this one doesn't have it. The Queen Dragon Liner. So it is really nice. It's very pigmented, so I got the wing really easily and fast. One of the ways is gonna be 2 dots, and then you connect them and fill out the eye. Another one is gonna be with a spoon, and another one is gonna be with tape. My favorite one is just the 2 dots, just because I feel like I have more control over it, versus with the tape, like you have no control, and then if you did it too thick, then you have to delete it and then come back. So just with the 2 dots, you can just do a little line, whoop, and you know, it's easy for me. Let me know if you did it, if it worked, if it didn't. I really appreciate, you know, everything that you tell me. So leave a comment down below, and remember to subscribe and hit like. I hope to see you in my next video. Remember to be kind to you and to others, and remember to smile, because when you smile, you make the world a better place. So thank you so much again for being here, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. All right, first we're gonna start with the 2 little dots that you see I made. Real quick, you're gonna connect it with a line, and then you're gonna fill it out. Make sure that it looks like a wing, that it looks good, and then continue to fill out the whole eye. Next, we have the spoon. The spoon, I don't like the part of the spoon, so I just use the handle. And I know you can't see it very clearly there. I'm so sorry. I honestly didn't notice that the camera wasn't in the right angle. So as you can see, I did a really quick stroke upwards towards the handle of the spoon. Then took the spoon off and filled out the rest of the wing. I made sure that it looked okay, and then continued to fill out the rest of the eye. This one was the most difficult for me, because you have to place it at the exact angle that you want. And you're not gonna know that you want that angle until you try it a couple of times. So once you have the angle that you want, just make sure that you do the upward stroke, and then take off the tape, make sure that it looks okay, fill the wing, and then continue to fill out your eye.